We Buy California Houses for Cash and Tracy CA brings you its service of buying California houses and making sales easier and quicker. You can prevent foreclosure by choosing to sell your house to these real estate investors. We Buy California Houses for Cash is willing to buy houses in foreclosure, with tax liens, or houses damaged by fire, flood, etc. The organization will buy the house exactly in the condition it is in. According to We Buy California Houses for Cash, 2021 will see a surge in foreclosures, and selling to real estate investors is a good solution. House and condo owners can sell their California property in 3 simple steps. We Buy California Houses for Cash takes care of everything from the paperwork to the contractors. For more information, go to webuycaliforniahousesforcash.com.